Welcome and welcome back to my channel, Ernest Cucina Camp USA. Today, join me in my baking time. We're going to bake carrot cake as a dessert, and we're going to take this to my friend's house tomorrow since she will have a housewarming, and this is a perfect gift or food prep to be able to share. Let's go and let's start it. So these are the ingredients that we needed for baking carrot cake or making carrot cake. For the cake, we need all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, we need sea salt, cinnamon ground, canola oil, granulated sugar, lightly packed brown sugar, vanilla extract, some eggs also, and then carrots of course, coarsely chopped pecans, First thing we're going to do is to prepare our cake pan. So we're gonna butter the bottom of it, and then we're going to add parchment paper on top of it, and then butter again. I'm gonna grease the inside and the side of the cake pan. This is ready. All we have to do is set this aside. The challenging part of making carrot cake is to grate the carrots. After grated the carrots in a large mixing bowl, we're adding the flour, brown sugar in the granulated sugar, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon ground, nutmeg, and salt. And I'm using the sifter just to make sure that it is fine and no clumps from the sugar. Then we're gonna mix this really good. We're gonna mix this. In a second mixing bowl, we're going to whisk together the wet ingredients, which are oil. I'm using canola oil, eggs, 4 large room temperature eggs, and 3/4 cups of applesauce. Then we're just gonna mix them just until well combined. And after that, we're going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients, and we're gonna use a spatula to fold until combined. Here you go. Then we're going to fold the carrots by using a spatula, and nuts, and fold until well incorporated. two division this. I'm gonna divide the butter evenly between the cake pans. One is no nuts, the other one is just a plain carrot. So we're gonna put it over here and pour some. Here. So finally guys, these are the two batter. This one has pecans, and this one is just a plain carrot. And we're going to bake in a fully preheated oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And then once it's out from the oven, we're gonna rest this for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then transfer to a wire rack and cool to room temperature before applying frosting and decorating. Oven is ready. In the oven. There you go guys, the finished product. So I was not able to take a video after I took the cake out from the oven, but this is it, the 2-layer, and I just separated with a parchment paper. And now it is time to add some frosting. Look at that. To take his guns. Maybe you can explain what happens when you off. What it does is there you go guys, it's not really perfect but it's a homemade cake. Alright, next guys, we're going to put some decoration on top of our cake. This is my cake. It's a carrot cake. And then we're going to decorate this. I don't have a piping bag, but I'm using a Ziploc bag. And I have a large open star tip pipe. So we're just gonna fill this with It's like a smooth poop. It's not even, but guess what, guys? It's better than nothing. There you go, guys. We're just gonna add the toppings. I'm gonna just put a little bit, not much. Cake is done. And this is ready to be bring to my friend's house for dessert. Carrot cake homemade by Ernest Cocina Camp USA. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and until next time. And I'm gonna show you also the glimpse or the part when we cut it, the cake. Go ahead. You want me to cut it?
Ano siguro pag ganyan na, tas...
Tama ba?
I guess. What do you use for the icing? Cream cheese?
Cheese, butter, and then
White sugar, yung powder sugar?
yeah.
I can't eat this.
Maybe you can carry it into two or something.
Bakit? Matang lang, diba?
Too big. Can I borrow your... Too big. Too big for you? Or...